Oh mate, we'll find it.
Oh! I have to go to you now. You can't get a red card in training. So. Yeah, tell us how you do. Tell us tight. Head tight. Head tight. Head tight. Let's go. Yeah, the fight is you go. What's going on? There's someone strong. See? Just have a little look and then you'll just keep swapping in these positions. So right back. Correct. Yeah, we. Scramble, that's it. Pick him up. Leave me.
Tiring.
Who's your roommate, Joe?
Luke Yates, aka 𝗧𝗿𝗶H.
Are you a good roommate?
He's a very good roommate. Watching Film Me Once together. Snacks and drinks.
Who's your roommate, by the way?
𝗧𝗿𝗶H, good one. Yeah, he's nice and chilled out. I like him. I feel like Jack's really shown me up a bit when we got in the room though. I got in there and he'd hung all his stuff in the wardrobe and sorted it all out, and I'm just kind of living out my suitcase. So